How to add alarm sound on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add alarm sound on Android phone first. And all you need to do is just open your clock and then just select any alarm you want here and then click sound. And here we'll find classic ringtones, and now all you need to do just you need to find here music on device and then click on it. And as you see here, you can take any music from your device, just click on it and go back, it will be saved. And that's how to add alarm sound on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.